Ano yung pinakamagandang investment?
For me, it's gold. Number one, why gold? It's a good investment in terms of liquidity. Mabilis siya maliquidify. So,
May into cash, no?
Exactly. Pwede mo siya ibenta, or rather, pwede mo siya ilagay sa pawn shop.
Yes.
Pangalawa, it's good investment. Why? It's a hedge against inflation. Whether tumaas o bumaba ang inflation, the value of gold increases over time. So that's why gold is really a good investment.
Ako. Stock market.
Yes.
No?
Bakit?
Una, syempre, potential high returns. No? Ibig sabihin, high risk, high reward, but some stock market din naman, minimal risk din as well. So, pangalawa, you get to be able to be an owner of some companies.
Yes.
So, technically, ownership in companies, no? Di ba? At least kahit paano, kunwari, owner lang naman ako ng shares ni Jollibee.
Yeah.
Pwede. Di ba? So, pangatlo is liquidity and flexibility. Ibig sabihin nito, it is also easily withdrawable. So, buy and sell ka lang. No, depende. If you wanted to liquidate it, posible hanap ka ng other investments. Ang bilis. That's the power of stock market.
Yes. So, yung ganda no, liquidity. Sa akin naman, pinakamaganda real estate. So, sa liquidity, talo, no? Talo yan ng gold tsaka, no? Stock market. Pero, ayun na, stable cash flow siya, no? Sa mga rentals, ganyan, lease, pwede kang makakuha dito ng income, no? Na tuloy-tuloy on a regular basis. And then, may appreciation potential siya. Kasi, di ba, yung mga bayad lupa, yung mga ganyang asset, tumataas siya over time. Nagmamahal yung mga bayad lupa. And then, tangible asset, same with gold, na nahawakan siya, ganyan. Visible siya, nakikita siya. And may mga mga tax benefits din. And same with other investment din naman sa inyo, ganyan. So, ayun, gold, stock market, and then real estate. Kayo, ano ba pinakamagandang investment para sa inyo?
Labas nyo na yan.